Hello student, welcome to online class. Myself Kuldeep Srivastava. Today we are discuss how to solve question number 2 of exercise 8.1. And a question number 2 of exercise 8.1 is, if the diagonals of parallelogram are equal, then prove that it is rectangle. Okay, statement of this question is, if the diagonals of parallelogram, as you know all, there are two diagonals in parallelogram, and when both the diagonals are equal, then prove that ABCD, it means this type of parallelogram is rectangle. Okay, then first of all we make a parallelogram ABCD, and next we draw two diagonals AC and BC. Condition is AC, this line AC line, it means AC is what? AC is the diagonal of this quadrilateral, and BD is second diagonal. Okay, both the diagonals are equal. Then our RTP is to prove that ABCD is rectangle. Okay, RTP means required to prove ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, now we are going to prove. Okay, when ABCD is a parallelogram, and what is parallelogram? Parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral, a quadrilateral in which pair of opposite sides, opposite pair, it means opposite of AD is BC and opposite of AB is CD. Okay, then opposite pairs are equal and parallel. It means AD and BC are parallel and equal. AB and CD all also equal and parallel. Then prove that ABCD is rectangle. Now, and rectangle is what? Rectangle, it means if each angle of quadrilateral is 90 degree and opposite sides are equal and parallel, then that type of quadrilateral is known as rectangle. And here we see that ABCD is a parallelogram, and now we will prove this parallelogram is rectangle when both the diagonals are equal. Okay, if we prove angle A or angle B or angle C or angle D is equal to 90 degree, then this parallelogram is rectangle. Okay, and before proof angle A, angle B, angle C or angle D is equal to 90 degree, we take two triangles and prove both the triangles are congruent. Suppose we take this triangle BAD. Okay, in triangle BAD and BAD means upper triangle, this one. Okay, BAD, this triangle. Okay, and next we take triangle ABC, this triangle ABC. Okay, it means BAD, this triangle, and second one triangle ABC, it means this one is common point Okay, if both the triangles are congruent, then we will write angle A, it means angle ABAD and angle ABC both are equal, and the sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degree, because the sum of the measures of angles on the same side of triangle is 180 degree. Then first of all we will prove triangle BAD and triangle ABC both are congruent. So in triangle BAD, AD is equal to BC, because ABCD is a parallelogram and opposite pairs are equal. Now we write AD is equal to BC because opposite side of parallelogram. Second, AB is what? AB is the common line of triangle BAD and ABC. This AB line is common line. Then we write AB is equal to AB common. Okay, when AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to AB is common, and this line BD line is equal to AC line, because both are diagonal and both diagonals are equal according to statement of this question. Okay, now we'll write BD is equal to AC diagonals of parallelogram. Okay, now we have three sides AD, AB and BD. It means all sides of first triangle is equal to corresponding all sides of another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. So we can write triangle BAD congruent triangle ABC by side rule. Okay class, if all sides of first triangle is equal to corresponding all sides of another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. That's why we can write triangle BAD congruent triangle ABC by triple S, side congruent rule. Okay, next. Okay student, now both the triangles are congruent by triple S rule. Okay, then if both the triangle, it means triangle BAD and triangle ABC both are congruent triangle, then this triangle and this triangle, both triangles are equal by CPCT. So we can write this triangle, sorry, this angle and this angle are equal. Angle BAD equal to angle ABC by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, and this is equation number 1. Okay, when angle A or angle B or both the angles are 90 degree, then ABCD is rectangle. According to property of rectangle, each and every angle each and every interior angle of rectangle is 90 degree, then we will prove angle B equal to angle B, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 90 degree. Here angle BAD equal to angle ABC by CPCP, okay, and angle BAD plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. But how? Angle BAD plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. But how? This angle plus this angle equal to sum of these two angles. Those two angle is 180, because sum of the measures of angle, sum of measures of angle on the of the same side is 180 degree, okay, and we apply equation 1. BAD and ABC both are equal. Now we can write on the place of ABD, we can write BAD, angle BAD plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree from equation 1. Now BAD plus BAD, two angle BAD is equal to 180, and two angle BAD, two angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. Now we can find the value of angle BAD. Angle BAD is equal to 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90 degree. And angle BAD, this angle is equal to 90 degree, and this angle both are equal. It means both the angles are 90 degree. That's why angle BAD is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Here angle BAD equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. That's why we can write, if any one angle of parallelogram is 90 degree, then that parallelogram is rectangle. Here we write AB, therefore ABCD, therefore ABCD is a rectangle, because any one angle of parallelogram is 90 degree, then that type of parallelogram is rectangle. Okay student, now hence we proved it, ABC is rectangle, hence proved. Okay, thank you class.